and the Embry-Riddle Eagle 580 right back in front of you, the airshow center stage. And now, ladies and gentlemen, watch this magnificent airshow professional as he pulls those straight up beautiful blue skies over Marsh Air Reserve Base, demonstrating for you the outstanding roll rate of the one-of-a-kind aircraft, the Eagle 580. This airplane began its life as the Mudra Cap 232. One of only 6 of this type that have been constructed. The 232 Rural Aerobatic Contest Aircraft. Matt's airplane there representing one of only 6, the 232EX.
Hola, Luce.
Conventional wood manufacturing techniques of Avion, Luigi, and France, and a wing that was designed and constructed by Mr. Walter Extra of the German Extra 300 fame.